What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. And before we start checking out these cool products I got here, I want to say shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for hitting that subscribe button. It means a lot to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys stick around for future videos to come. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Today I got 4 products to share with you guys, and this is going to be something of a entry production equipment setup video. This is going to be geared towards people who are interested in I guess starting a YouTube channel or anything video production, and you don't want to invest too much, but you just want to get something just to start off right now. This might be just a couple suggestions if you guys haven't already found some. So let's check it out. So first off, I got a mic right here. Hopefully this will improve the sound quality of my videos. If you guys have used this mic before or know anything about this mic, hit it up in the comment below and let me know what your experience is or was with this mic. It gives me a little perspective of if this investment is worth it. Now, this was pretty cheap. I forgot how much the price was, but link is in the description below, and links for all the other products will also be in the description below in case you guys want to check it out after the video. So let's take a look at this. So that's pretty much the way the mic looks. It's a clip-on mic, so I should be able to clip it onto my shirt when I'm doing my recordings. I don't know what this means, PV510 plus. But hopefully I will find out pretty soon. The box is pretty simple. The back pretty much has all the other information. Just tells you it comes with 2 adapters and it works with your PC, laptop, desktop, and recorder. And if you guys want to find out some more information, just go ahead and scan that barcode, and of course you can email them if you need support. That's pretty much it for the mic. Let's just take a quick look. Okay, so this is the adapter right here, and you got a little bit of I guess extra cushions to put over the mic in case the one on it goes bad. What is this? We do best microphone scare for your voice and carry details. So it's a 360 sound, which is pretty good. That would be a lot better than the mic that's on my phone. So that's it right there. That's all the instructions right here. There we go. And that's pretty much it. What is this? This is just a happy. This says, I guess you can share your experience. There you go. So I guess they only sell it on Amazon. So that's, I guess, maybe that might be the only place you're able to pick up this mic. And that's the mic right here, guys. I did open it prior to this video, so the cable does not come like this. It comes, neatly wrapped and all. So let's just take off this little sticky thing. And it's a really long cable. It's a pretty long cable. I'm reckoning this is about a 6 feet cable, guys. It's about 5 to 6 feet long. It comes with a 3.5mm jack at the end, and it has this 3 strands right here. And just note the adapter that it includes only has 2 strands. Alright, and this is the little clip right here. It's gonna be clipped onto my t-shirt. And you know what, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in right now, and let me know if you guys notice a change in the sound quality. Alrighty, guys, so I went ahead and plugged in the mic to my phone, and hopefully the sound quality is better. Leave a comment below if it is, guys. It would really help me out and let me know that the sound is better. Now let's just continue with the video. So let's take a look at the second product. This is actually a light to just increase the lighting, because the way my table is in my room, light comes in, but it kind of hits other objects in the room, and then it casts shadows onto the back wall. Onto that wall right there, and it kind of messes it up. And just the way my windows are too, when it's bright outside and open the window, sunlight doesn't kind of come directly in to this wall, because there's a house right to my bedroom mirror that's blocking the sun from coming in. So I kind of had to go ahead and get some lighting. Yeah, that was a mouthful. So this is the lighting I went ahead and chose. It's pretty cheap, and hopefully it does kind of increase the lighting in my table right here in my room. It's all Chinese, so you guys already know it's from China. But that's pretty much the way it looks. I kind of already took it out the box. Let me just go ahead and grab one so I can show you guys. Here's the light. So I went ahead and bought two because I'm gonna try to get lighting on the left and right side of my desk. So when so it kind of shines in kind of like this, when I'm trying to record a new product. Yep, the way it doesn't cast shadows on one side, because that would just be dumb. But yeah, guys, I went ahead and got two of this. They're pretty nice LED lights. Of course, they're cheap and all, but they do the job. And if you guys didn't notice right here, it actually could screw into a tripod of some sort. So that actually comes in pretty handy. And to power these lights, because they do take AA batteries, and I do have AA batteries, but these lights will be working a lot or shedding a lot of light. And if I go traditional AAAs, they will just burn up, and I'll just gonna have to keep buying them over and over, and there's no point to that. So I also went ahead and pick up these rechargeable Energizer AA batteries, which is the third product of this video. Pretty cheap as well, but a good name as far as battery brands. And it comes with 4 already, and 4 is exactly what I needed, and it's rechargeable, so that kind of worked out really well. Yeah, and I can't wait to see how long these last, because even though they're rechargeable, they do have a lifespan, and I'm pretty sure it's a very long time. So can't wait to get this tried out. Actually, I think they're kind of half charge, so I'm gonna put 2 of the batteries into one of these lights, just so you guys can get just a little hint of how bright these are. There we go. There we go. Now currently I'm actually using the light on the camera on my phone, so that's why it's kind of a little bit bright, but sometimes it's kind of stressing out the phone right now, so having these lights would kind of ease the stress on the phone. And of course this glare, kind of like that, if I'm recording something that has like a clear surface, the light from the camera bounces off of it, and it kind of hurts your eyes as viewers, so I don't want that. So let's see how bright this thing is. Now if you turn this wheel right here, I'm gonna just, okay, there you go, guys. So you flip it, it comes on, and you can actually control how bright you want the light to go with this wheel right here. So let me just kind of go like that, and there we go. I'm not gonna show you guys the lights because they're pretty bright, and I don't want you guys going blind. But yeah, guys, it's a pretty fun light, and it's doing the job for now until I'm able to get something better. So yeah, for now we're gonna rock these crazy cheap awesome lights, and that's it for the lighting of these products. And let's take a look at the last and final product of this video, a smartphone tripod. Now I originally wanted to get this tripod, or a tripod, to mount my phone, because I used to use a selfie stick, and that selfie stick had like this screw hole to mount on a tripod, and I would use that on a tripod to mount the phone. But that wasn't working out too well, so I was trying to find a tripod specifically for a smartphone, and this was a top seller on Amazon, and it was also pretty cheap as well. I kind of have one of them open. Now this is just the box. The box is pretty simple, and the box doesn't include a lot of stuff. It just comes with this bag right here. The tripod comes secure in this bag, and yep, that's pretty much it. And inside the bag you get the tripod, which I'm gonna go ahead and close up right now and show you guys. It did also came with a instruction manual, which is pretty cool. It's just one sheet of just picture diagrams and what each joint or each part of the tripod does. So this might come in handy if you've really never had like a large tripod before. Yeah, so make sure to check out the manual. Now let's just check out the tripod, which I have right behind me, and boom, there's a tripod, guys. So it's not that bad of a tripod. It's pretty nice. It's cheaply built, of course, because it is a cheap tripod. And as far as the extension of it, it does extend up to 50 inches. So that's tall enough for what I'm gonna use it for. Now, like I said, this is a smartphone tripod, so of course it did include a smartphone mount right here. There we go. I actually have another one because yes, I got two of these. Now originally I was going to use it for the smartphone, but I ended up using the current tripod I have and just mounted on the smartphone attachment, and that's what I'm using right now. And I'm actually going to use this to mount my lights on, and that's how I'm going to be able to get lighting onto this table so you guys can see the products a lot clearer. So it kind of worked out, even though I originally wanted to use it for my smartphone. That didn't work out, but something else worked out, so that's pretty good, guys. It's always good when something else come off, you know, something that was originally planned and you got something better out of it. And yeah, that's all the products I got for you in this video. Hopefully this will help some of you guys out there. Once again, purchase links are in the description below. And before we end the video, I'm just gonna open up this tripod, mount the light on, just so you guys can get an idea of how it's gonna look. And yeah, let's jump into that. Alrighty guys, and that's the setup right there. We got the tripod fully extended from bottom to top, or top to bottom. And let's just take a closer look at the way the light is mounted. So this is the light right here. Oh, it's a little kind of straight. There we go. Mounted up right there. That's it, right there. And it's currently aiming down on my Amazon Alexa Echo. And this is the other one right here. And that's the Alexa right there now. Oh, and of course this is the current tripod that I used to mount the phone on. So that's the setup. Pretty simple, pretty easy, definitely affordable, and I can't wait to try it out. Now this is supposed to be able to shed lighting onto the object in the center and just make the video a lot clearer. So I'm gonna do this live without doing any cuts. So I'm just gonna turn on this light right now. Here we go. There we go. So that's light one on, and you guys can notice a change right away. And let's turn on the second light. There we go, guys. So that is a lot brighter, which is what we were going for. And yeah, so that's it. And Alexa, the product is so easier to see. Look at that, guys. Isn't that just beautiful? I think it is. It's costly. I mean, sorry, not costly. It's inexpensive. Easy, quick setup that works for me right now, guys. So that's where we're gonna end it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button, share this with someone who you think this might be helpful to. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.